Hello everyone, this is Elliott Wave. How's everyone doing? How's it going? Hope everyone is having a great Friday and hope everyone has had a great week, obviously. As always, please let me know if you can hear me. Hello everyone. You should be able to hear me just fine, but as always, please let me know. So let me just notify everyone on the Discord that we're live. Connect. So let me just notify on the Discord that we're live. And there we go. Awesome. Great. So yeah. Hello JC, how you doing? So hello Jacob. Hello guys. It's good to see you. So as always, yeah, you guys ask for whatever you guys want. If there's anything you want to take a look at, just ask. So let me just type in the chat. Free Discord. Type on the chat the Discord so that people can join the Discord so they stay up to date on what's happening. Awesome. So that's obviously the link for the Discord, and ask me anything to analyze. There we go. Awesome. So, which again, it was expected. Nothing crazy. Nothing that the market wasn't already pricing in. And we did move lower sharply. However, okay, so that's the DAX. However, it is still moving. Everything is still moving as expected. I do have to. I have a few things to show you. I am myself in a trade currently on Aussie dollar. This is a trade that I will post the results on the Discord. I will take a screenshot of MT4, the trade, see how it's gonna play out. So far so good. Basically we're looking at a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of some degree. But yeah, lots of things to talk about. We have the Nasdaq, we have cryptos, we have Forex, oil, gold, many things. As always, as I said, feel free to ask me anything to take a look at. And that's what I'm here for. And then we can get started. So let me open some tabs first. Yeah. Anyone is in any trade, anyone is having any ideas, looking at any particular things. I also had a night on ETH that's been a bit naughty. I took a trade on ETH. Nasdaq is still going up. Yeah, I mean, so I have a trade on the Nasdaq as well, which is this one right there. I entered here. I entered after I saw 3 ways down and I was looking at this possibility. But the most important thing that at the time I saw 3 down and I saw, okay, as long as it's 3, even if I'm wrong, I should still get 1 leg higher. And that's what happened. So, yeah. So that's one of the accounts. That's one I prefer for the time being. I saw someone out there pointing out this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that just is wrong because if this is 3 as a diagonal, if this is 3 and 4 and 5, then this cannot be 3 because in a diagonal, every wave must be shorter than the one before. So wave 3 must be shorter than 1. And as you can see here, that's equality. Wave 3 here would be longer, so the count is invalidated. So again, that's my preferred count. I have alternates, but let's just take a look for a moment at my preferred count. We zoom in into the 1 hour chart. Then we can see how 5 up, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, and 5, A, B, C, for A, B, C. 5 was done in wave C, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I expecting this to be wave 4. Wait, so far so good. Obviously, I mean, yeah, I'm expecting this to be wave 4. It looks like it might turn out to be some sort of diagonal. The alternate, to be honest, let's say we move lower, we break lower, then I would call this an A, B, C. But still, if it does move lower and I see how ABC, it's still an ABC. It's still a 3-wave move, not a 5-wave move. Therefore, correcting. We broke this top, which is very nice. However, this can still happen, but if it does, I mean, if it does, then this can no longer be a wave 2 because it just wouldn't look good because it would be much larger than this wave 2. And this being 1 less degree, I just cannot see that happening. So yeah, that's kind I'm gonna stick for. Can we look for longs here? Potentially you can. Not my preferred trade. I don't like to trade on these short time frames. But if I was to take the trade, it would be something like this. TP is not necessarily here, it could be higher. Stop loss, yes, will be here. That would be very kind of validation. However, again, it's just an idea. I'm not saying you have to do it. I personally wouldn't do it because it wouldn't fit my style. But JC, that's pretty much a Nasdaq. As always, let me know if you have any particular question. Guys, let me know if there's anything you want me to take a look at. But that's pretty much a Nasdaq. That's what I can see. Yeah, as I said, I'm in the long. And yeah, I'm in the long trade. I mean, the trade is not risk free. One thing that I could do, but not really worth it. Oh, there we go. This side. Awesome, Jacob. All right, so let's get started. So DXY first, as the first one listed. So DXY. So DXY. So let's see. So it looks like I wouldn't be surprised to see this happening, to be honest. At this point, we have this potential 5 ways down here. So as you can see here, this trend channel, which you connect you connect 1 and 5 and then 2. So this trend channel, as you can see, was broken and retested right now. We retested this area, which long time ago, if you look at my old videos, you can I said it, I remember it, but you can look at my old video. I said it that, I mean, we're basically here, around here, when I said, look, this area is going to be, most likely we're going to find support, and we did. So this is my preferred count, to be honest. How would I count it? I mean, best thing I can say is ABC, to be honest. This looks like an ABC. Now, wave B can be many different things. So it can be a triangle, or, you know. What I'm saying is wave B can start to move sideways. So this could happen. A triangle could happen. Or else we could be done and are ready to zoom higher. But one step at a time, as I say. This needs to be broken. So we need to break this to the upside. Let me zoom in. We need to break this to the opposite, which it looks like we might. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it looks like we might. And then obviously this would be the next step. Depends on, you know, you want to see some areas, some points, some prices being broken, depending on what time frame you're looking to set up your trade on. Let's say, yeah, I don't want to really go into strategies too much. I'm happy to do it if you guys stick around the Discord. That link is in the description. If you're not already in the Discord, you want to stick around and ask me questions there. Then I'm happy to help you out. But I don't want to say too much here on YouTube. But yeah, if you guys just join the Discord, you can ask me anything, so I can talk about more different things and topics. But yeah, it's basically what I'm looking for. As I said, we have different things to confirming this count, this retest, and this ABC. Now we just need to break this point. Obviously, this makes sense, as I was saying in the beginning of the video, to my short on Aussie dollar. So dollar higher could mean Aussie dollar lower, at least to the part relative to the dollar higher. Good to see you. Yeah, I got you after. But yeah, so that's the XY. Jacob, let me know if you have any specific question. In the meantime, I'll go into the S&P. This one. Okay, so the S&P at this count, which was a bit different, slightly different from the Nasdaq. 3 down, 5 up here, ABC. Now, this, to be honest, yes, it can we, but yeah. So this would be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, and 5 into wave C. But I mean, this up move, still don't understand it, to be honest. So that's what makes me question it. I mean, it's 3 up already, as you can see. So I really don't like it, unless it's unless you kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, maybe. Which could make sense. It's so once again, I learned it throughout the years. So usually wave ones are the hardest to identify because they don't look like impulsive wave. Because obviously, the trend was going one way and then it reverses. So most of the time they look like crap, I'll be honest with you. And they look more like a 3-wave move. But that's usually wave 1, to be honest. That's usually what happens to wave 1. So, as you can see here, we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up in wave 1, 3 down in A, up in B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down in C. So it could be a wave C. Up in 3, triangle in 4, up for 5, A, B. Could this be A, B, C? Maybe. Like A, B, C. So either this is ABC, which it could be, Yeah, it could be actually. I don't want to go into lower time frame. Or else, what this could also be is A up for B, down for C, and then upside. So we'll see. So far, I wouldn't place any trade on the S&P based on my strategy, on the way I trade. Maybe for a very short-term trade that it could make sense, but for longer-term trades, it's still quite unsure. Again, Jacob, let me know if you have any questions. And then last but not least, Bitcoin. Let's see. Yeah, so here it looks like, because to be honest, it looks like 1, 2, 1. Because I'm being pretty bullish on Bitcoin for the time being, and so far it's playing out. I've been like this I said this was potential 5-wave move. It's been over a month, I think. I guess Eric can testify for you guys if you're new. But 1, 2. It looks, because I'm saying this could be wave 1 because this looks like a leading diagonal, to be honest. I don't know about you. So this looks like sharp wave down in A. Triangle in B maybe, and down for wave C. That's what it looks like. So yeah, that would also mean that this count is correct and we're just gonna go crazy to the upside, which we'll see. But so far, I'm gonna keep this scenario. Again, let me know if you have questions. Let me know if there's anything you want me to take a look at. And if you're not in the Discord, I recommend to do so. Just scroll up and you'll find the link. It's free and you can find me there. Ask me questions. We can be friends. So next in line is JC with the SNC. So remember we looked at it last week, didn't we? Still, so to be honest, like here personally, that's my personal opinion. That's what I would do or wouldn't do. And what I wouldn't do is trade because it just, as I remember I said this last time, most likely. This looks like a triangle. Okay. So this could be a potential 1, 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think this was the count I had last week. Yeah, I wouldn't really do anything right now, to be honest. Long term, I would look for longs, but long term, other than that, really, I would stand by shorter term. But like, if we're talking about the years, then I would look for longs. Wave kind of validation is across south of this. There'll be wave kind of validation. Again, let me know if you have questions. Next one is Eric with Dero. Ooh. Look at this. when you guys ask for things that I don't usually pay attention to, I just draw lines and then just never look at them again. And seeing this makes me happy. Uh, still got it. So actually, you still have the bullish view on it. Yeah, I do. Still the same, really. I mean, as long as I said, as long as we do not cross south of this line at 2236, then there's not really any reason not to be. But again, long term, years from now, it looks like a buy. Other than that, I wouldn't do anything. You know, if I was to look for longs, 5-10 years from now, then I would look for buys. Other than that, I wouldn't do anything. Which doesn't mean you have to buy it. That's what I would do, obviously. Not a financial advisor. So, Eric. Yes, so at this point, again, as I said, do remember about this. Makes me happy to see this. I'm glad it's working out. Looks like an A, B, C, obviously. This looks like an A, B, and C. So now we are looking for shorts, I guess, long term. I mean, not longer, but like, I would be looking for short. I don't know. Could this be some sort of wave one? Nah. 1, 2. 1, 2. It's hard. It looks more like a 3-wave move. So I would stay more to the short side, more focused on the short side. I want to. This here looks a bit like crap, to be honest. Don't remember what I said last time. To be honest, it looks like a 3-wave move. A, B. Oh no. A, B, C. Oh, you're welcome, JC. Let me know if there's anything else I can help you with. And yeah, any of you guys, if you just joined, welcome. Just ask me anything to analyze, anything you want me to take a look at. I'm happy to help you guys out if I can. And if you're not, just join the Discord. Link is in the description. It's also in the chat. It's free. You can ask me questions. You can find me there. We can chat. Have a laugh. Look at share ideas all together. I just grow with the community. So yeah, I hope to see you there within the week. So with bullish case break, ultimate for me, it doesn't look like bottom, so corrective. You mean, what doesn't look like a bottom, really? I'm missing that. So to be as I said, this looks like a 3-wave move, to be honest. 3 down, so 3 up, 3 down, 3 up. I would expect downside. Where? It's a good question. Ideally, we get very close to this area, but we do not break it. Or even if we do break it just by a few cents, that's ideal, to be honest. So I guess July 2022. Exactly, yeah, it doesn't look like this doesn't look like a 1-2. It looks more like a AB. If that's what you're saying, and that's also what I'm saying. So I will look for this. Do I have the bullish case, not bullish, but can we break this? Yes. We just make a massive flat So 3, 3, just as a flat, and then downside, which, I mean, it popped my mind. So let's think about this. Do I expect Bitcoin and ETH, two largest crypto, to move higher? Yes. Can they move and break all-time high? Yes. From where we are now, yes, it is possible. I do have counts that suggest that. So obviously, it would make sense. It doesn't mean that it has to happen, but it would make sense that also other cryptos should follow. Doesn't mean they have to have the same count, obviously, just follow in the direction, as they are highly correlated. So the thought is, can we move much higher? Yes. It will be just a flat A, B, C, A, B, C. Breaking this point, move lower. This will be just an A, B, C here, and it would be maybe a wave 5 of some degree in Bitcoin. That's if that's what you're asking, that's the only way I see that happening. But I think that was what you were asking for. And I'm out of water. But yeah, let me know. And yeah, guys, anything you want to take a look at, just ask. Happy to help you guys out if I can. Let's look at some charts. So let me delete this. Last weekend, I think it was Saturday or I can't remember if it was Saturday or Sunday. Might have been Sunday. I entered and exited a trade on ETH. I got stopped. I mean, I profited because I put my stop loss in profit. So basically, it was this trade. I saw there's a potential triangle, took the long, and then got stopped out in profit because I was looking for further downside, which never happened. But this, to be honest, what do you guys think about this? Interesting, in my opinion. Very interesting. Did we break that low? Yeah, so let me just see one thing. Down in A, up in B. So equality is here. So we did reach equality. Yeah. Weak RSI divergence. We might have some sort of bottom actually. You know that? Volume. Okay, but this is interesting. Not gonna lie. Long setup. I don't know. Might work out. Anyways, so theta. Yeah, gotcha. Sorry, I just I can look here at ETH because it is interesting. I do see this as corrective, bullish corrective, so I do expect further upside. Theta USD. I guess it's this one. Okay. So Okay. Any particular question before I dive into it? Anything you're looking at? Huh. Okay. So first of all, okay, so maybe I think I might have mentioned about this. Gotcha, JC. You're next up. Yeah, let me know if there's any specific question. But yeah, I think I mentioned this last time around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me zoom in. That'll be the difference between coins that die and coins that will break. Ultimate minus will run. Might be. Guess we'll find out. So still, I don't. So these things I wouldn't like. These are hard to trade. I mean, they're not really my thing to trade. Because it's all very noisy. To be honest, it looks like 3 up to me. I can even show like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Diagonal. Right there. However, this also looks like 3. Or else can count 1, 2. This could be 3. This could turn out either. It's okay. So what might happen? So you could get, you could start to move higher. That's possible. So I see this is 3. So either we do this, downside and upside, or else we do this, resume lower and then upside. That's something that could happen. However, what would I do if I had to trade it? I wouldn't trade it. I'll be honest. I would look for something else. But that's basically what I see. Let me know if you have questions, Eric. And yeah, any of you guys are welcome. If there's anything you want me to take a look at, anything you want me to analyze, just ask. I'm more than happy to help you guys out if I can. I just tell my opinion using the Elliott Wave Theory, see what I can do. And if you're not in the Discord, just join. The link is in the description, and it's also it's in the chat. Just scroll up, you'll find it's for Discord. You'll find me there. You can ask me for whatever anytime you want, and you will get an answer. I promise. You're welcome, Jacob. Thanks for joining, man. Have a great weekend. Thanks for joining. But yeah, Eric, that's pretty much what I see. Not really much more to it. Let's see. The meantime, this is playing out. USD, oh, the ruble. Okay. Oh, sorry. We had JC. My bad, man. It's my fault. 399001. Oh, it's not up. Oh, yeah, because... Hope it's this one. 999001. So it makes sense. I mean, it's basically the SSC without what came before 2006. So my answer would be the same basically. Oh, sorry, I just misread. I read RBL. BL, sorry. My bad. But yeah, JC. So basically, I would wait to see for the same thing. You know, this could look like ABC, so downside, and then maybe you can higher. So yeah, look if you get 5 waves within this. So A, B, you need 5 waves. That happens, then maybe you will get one of us move lower and then upside. Exactly, that's what I'm saying. So yeah, look for that. Maybe it happens. It might. So yeah, I mean, if any questions, anything else. So here. You're very welcome. So USD. Oh, I forgot about this. Oh God, why am I so good? I haven't looked at this in a long time, but it's still it's wrong. Yeah, it looks wrong. So anyways, so that's, I guess, what we were looking for. So we're looking for upside. Yes, no. Not easy. At this point, we might start to get sideways. Yeah, we might start to get sideways, to be honest, at this point. Because as you were seeing, the previous count had a 1, 2, but this cannot be a 1, 2. To be honest, I don't see that as a 1, 2, and obviously not as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm looking for sideways continuation right here. Wouldn't trade long, wouldn't trade short. I would just move on to the next one. And yeah, let me know if you have questions, obviously. And IBOV, I'll actually do it here. Okay, so good. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 3, 4. So it does look trend establishing. So there is a possibility. Wait a second. Let me just double check one thing. So what I'm thinking is, can this wave 5 be here? Let me think. Okay. It's not easy. So the first thing I would look for, because this looked like a potential wave 1. So basically, let's say we have wave 1 here. This could have been 2. And then again, this could be wave 1 and 2. And this could be A, B, C. So obviously, degree is not that important right now. I'm just trying to make a point, which is this would be invalidation level. We break this point, we move south of 95,349. This wave kind of wrong, completely wrong. Actually, so the other day, I have to say this, the other day I saw like a pretty respectable Elliottician. At least that's what I thought, here on YouTube. And you know, he has a large audience and so on. And basically was like, so I don't remember correctly, but it was like, I think it was about the diagonal. As you know, in a diagonal, every wave in a contracting diagonal, every wave must be shorter than the one before. So like here, as you can see, you have wave 1 the longest, 2, 3 is shorter than 1, 4 is shorter than 2, and 5 is shorter than 3. So basically, there, like wave 4 was longer than wave 2. So it was like, well, it was longer, but then it immediately recovered, you know, immediately reversed and found support on whatever level that was. And it was like, well, you know what? The market's going down. Okay, I'm gonna trade downside. If it goes higher, then I don't care. It's gonna move lower. That's not how it works. You know, if there are rules, you have to follow them. So like, I had to say that kind of pissed me off, to be honest. Like, because again, he does have a large audience, larger than mine. But so I don't think it's correct to say things that are incorrect to the public. Anyways, sorry for that. As I was saying, Eric, looks like a fair move. So if that doesn't play out, so that's scenario number 1. Scenario number 2 would be we topped. It's a bit drastic, but it's Brazil, so I wouldn't know what's going on down there. So yeah, maybe A, this could be B, and then down for C. That's also possible. That's also possible. So I guess one or the other. we'll see. Or else I'm in A, B, C, and then upside, and that was just wave 1. That's also possible. Like here we have wave 1, wave 2 is not finished. We move lower, and then we move higher. So those 3 scenarios, 2 basically same direction, 1 a bit more bullish. Let me know if you have questions, and yeah, let me know if any of you guys have anything you guys want to take a look at. So yeah, just let me know. What else? What else we got? Nasdaq recovering a bit. But yeah, so if we move higher, then I'd expect one less high, and then a larger retracement, to be honest, here on the Nasdaq. Send your view in Discord. Oh yeah, I'll give you my feedback later tonight, for sure. But yeah, guys, join the Discord. As Eric did, you can send me things, ask for my opinion, and we can share ideas, create a community. That's a goal. So just join. I'll actually pin the link. There you go. So now you don't have excuses. What else? Anything else, guys? This is really interesting, to be honest. I mean, I'm almost tempted, but I'm already in 2 trades. So I don't want to overdo it. I'll wait. I don't like to be in too many trades. But yeah, this just looks corrective to me. Can always be wrong, obviously. So what else? What have we got? Let's look at some larger stocks. I was looking at Tesla. Moving nicely. 1, 2. Nvidia recovered like crazy, to be honest. It's just a beast. Insane. And then what else have we got? Apple still leading 1, 2, 3. So here an Apple's like a 1, 2. So that's 1, 2. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. That's what it looks to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guess we'll find out. Could actually set up a trade there. We can say. But yeah, yeah. Let me guys know if anything else you want me to take a look at before we wrap this up. Happy to take a look at anything you guys want. This looks like a strong weekly close. Here on Aussie dollar. No, that's a weekly here on Apple. I am tempted to place a long, I'll be honest. Trying to know where to place my stop though. Let's see. Oh yeah, got you, JC. Guess it'll be the last one for the day, for the week. Unless obviously you can always chat on the Discord. Don't forget about that. So where do I open it? Let's open it here. There we go. So we have to do this and then delete it. Otherwise, I think we're talking about time. So 4 zeros, 1 6. And I like correlate are all Chinese. I would actually look for downside here. Long term, I would look for downside. That's what I can say. Yep. Happy to know what you guys think, but It looks a down, up, down. This looks like an... looks like an ABC, to be honest. So long term, I'm looking for down. I would be looking for downs. That's what I can say here. Not sure. Should I? What else? But yeah, that's about it, I guess. Still went down. Yeah, I mean, long term, that's what I would look for. I don't really do anything else other than that. But yeah, exactly. It's also possible. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a week, guys. As always, I truly appreciate you guys coming along and to join me. Take an hour of your day to just see what's happening in the markets. Again, hope to see you on the Discord. Hope to see you chatting around the Discord. Don't be shy. Feel free to ask me for anything or show your ideas. Zigzag plus flat. Yes, correct. Yeah, possible. Yes. But yeah, guys, that's you're very welcome. Again, thank you. The Nasdaq Kennedy. We actually, you know what? I would be in a rush, so as soon as I just close this stream, we did it in the beginning of the video, or maybe just go 5-10 minutes in, and you should me talking, as you said. I mean, as you can see, maybe. I mean, just go maybe 5 minutes in. You should be able to see the Nasdaq, and I go into a few details on it. So I recommend you do that, so that I just not in a rush. So yeah, thank you guys for joining. Again, see you on the Discord, and have a great week.